And the question today is, I've heard resumes aren't read by humans anymore. Yes, sadly they aren't, but I'm going to inform you on how they are read and how you can get your maximum impact. Hi, I'm Martin Buckland. I'm an executive career management practitioner and I help senior executives reach their career goals. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell button where you will be notified of all future videos, and there's lots to come. What you're going to get today is information about resumes, how they are processed. When you send your resume to an HR department or to an executive recruiter, rarely are they read. We're in a technological age. And so to cut down on time and supposedly increase productivity, they are read by this applicant tracking system. In short, it's ATS. And it's scanned into a computer and then it's pulled out based on buzzwords, based on a certain content, a certain format. So you can't mess around with a computer. So you can never beat a computer, but you can at least try and match a computer. So I would suggest you follow these guidelines, try and steer clear of graphics, of too much shading. Tell a compelling story on how great you are, built on the STAR system: situation, task, action, result. It must have, though, all your keywords. So when somebody asks me for a free resume critique, I tell them, imagine up here that you are looking for your resume in your own computer, your own ATS system. What business functional keywords would you type in to have your resume come out? So it narrows you down, and the more buzzwords you have in there, keep it to a maximum of 20, preferably 18 buzzwords. Business functional specific buzzwords. The more you have in there, up to 18 or 20, will narrow the target, and will hopefully, when somebody's searching for talent like you, your resume will come out the other end. Because you only get one kick of the can, and that computer isn't going to give you any grace at all. So I'm Martin Buckland. I'm an executive career management practitioner. I'm also an executive resume writer. I can help you navigate through this ATS system and bring you out number one in the talent pool.